Hello, welcome back to GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair here with a new and hopefully just a short video. I got a 2011 Honda Pilot. It's a 6-cylinder all-wheel drive automatic, and we are going to replace the front headlights bulbs, like headlight bulbs. The front right, it is out. Oh, the other one, the driver's side, is okay. But this one, I guess, is the brightest down road white light, so we're gonna replace both of them, and this should be pretty straightforward. Anyhow, if you're new to the channel, please take a second and subscribe to the channel so you can get notification every video that we upload. Hit that notification bell as well. Doesn't cost you anything and help us with the YouTube algorithm. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Appreciate you taking the time to check out this video. Hopefully this helped somebody around the world to save some money, do yourself the repair, do it right the first time, and get back on the road safe. All right, so obviously the hood's open. Here's the lever. Open it up. Switching hands. There is. All right, so let me place the camera. It's actually right here. That one right there. Right there. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, what I'm going to do, first of all, see if we can just disconnect. Plug. Yep. Twist. And now this one you can see is bumped. No good, no bueno. Okay. So, let me open this. Alright, so something that is very, very important when we do this, it is to make sure we don't touch the glass. If we do, the oil that we have in our hands is going to transfer there, and with the heat, grab it like this. You know, this is not the best angle here. Okay, then it's blocked. Now gotta go on this side. This side is going here. I'm gonna have to remove this. Let's see if we can. Nope. So we can use one of the keys. Two. And it's right over there. Hopefully you guys can see it. Let's see if I can. There you go. So to remove this, it's best to just press the connector, the release of the lock, press it down and pull it. then go and twist. It's gonna be like this, like this. Okay, the top goes to the left, or kind of clockwise. I think the hardest part right now is to hold the camera. I'll try to show this how it's done. So when you have a flashlight, you'll be able to see right there what it is. So okay, this in. Probably see the connector right there. I mean, the light bulb nice and shiny. Now I have to reinstall that connector, and that should be it. Make sure the clicks. There is. And we're ready to put everything back. All right, so now we're done. We have to reinstall breather tube there. And let's test that. Lights are on. 1, 2. Awesome. Perfect. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. If you like the video, find any value, please give it a thumb up. Leave your comments down below. And again, I will see you on the next video. God bless. Do your best. Forget the rest.